Okay guys, thank you very much for checking out this video. My name is Clinton Kui, and in today's edition of our lecture, we are going to be finding the midpoint of a line segment. So by definition, a line is a straight curve. So a straight curve that extends indefinitely in both directions is called a line. And then a line segment can be derived from a line. So if you take 2 points on a line, uh, these 2 points along with every other points in between them will be called a line segment, and that's the definition. So this is a line extending indefinitely in both directions, and point A and point B are line segments because they are portions of the line that have an endpoint. Now, when we say midpoint of a line segment, we are telling you uh, to find a point that is midway, meaning exactly in the center between A and B. That's what we mean by midpoint. So you want to find a point that will be exactly in the center. The same distance from that point to A will be the same distance from that point to B. That's what we're talking about. So we have a formula for finding the midpoint, and this is the formula. M stands for midpoint is equals to x1 plus x2 over 2. So x1 and x2 are the x coordinate of A and the x coordinate of B respectively. Y1 and y2 are the y coordinate of A and the y coordinate of B respectively. So what do you do to find a midpoint? You add the x coordinate of A and the x coordinate of B and divide the result by 2, and you do the very same thing for the y coordinate. Add the y coordinate of A and the y coordinate of B and divide the result by 2. So we have an example here. Find a midpoint of a line segment joining the points. So we'll give you 2 points, point A and point B. Now we could visualize this. We could visualize this in this very same form. So point A, instead of writing x1, y1, we're going to write 3, 4 because the value of value have been assigned to x1 and y1. And the very same thing for point B. So let's go right ahead and find the solution. So the formula is M is equals to x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Now, what we need to do is to identify our x1, x2, y1, and y2. So for the first coordinate, the first number here will be, so for point A, the first number will be x1, and the second number will be y1. And for the second point, point B, the first number will be x2, and the second number will be y2. So we have M is equals to, so x1 is its first coordinate, 3, plus x2 is the second coordinate, remember, 5 over 2, y1 is the second coordinate of point A, which is 4, plus y2 is 6, all divided by 2. So if we compute this, we have M is equals to, so 3 plus 5, that's 8 over 2, 4 plus 6, that's 10 over 2. So the midpoint will be 4, 5. So what we are actually saying here is that if you find a point that will be midway, that will be the same distance away from these 2 points, point A and point B, that point is going to be 4, 5. So we'll give you an example, and then you try that example and see what happens next. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, try this example and comment in the comment section what's the result you got for the midpoint between these 2 points. So consider this will be the first point and the second point, and tell us what will be the result you have. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next episode of our classic and epic videos.